If a vessel's radius decreases by 10%, how is the volumetric flow rate affected, assuming laminar flow and constant pressure? So this has to do again with Poiseuille's law, which if we write it is simply this, right? Pi multiplied by r to the fourth, this is what we're going to be interested in here, multiplied by the pressure gradient delta P, divided by 8 multiplied by the viscosity, multiplied by the length of the vessel or the pipe or whatever, the container, right? So notice that what this equation is saying is that Q is directly proportional, this is the proportional to sign, r to the fourth, right? So what can we do? Well, what we can say is that if initially we have 100% radius, and then we decrease by 10%, we're going to have 90%, or 0.9. So let's just plug in, 0.9, right? Basically, we're saying that what happens is that the radius is now 0.9 of what it was before, right, to the fourth power. Because we need to plug in, this is the entire radius. It's 0.9 of the starting radius, okay? So let's see, what is 0.9 raised to the fourth power? So this is a bit of a cumbersome math question, and you wouldn't expect something this difficult, but this is just to show you how this would be done, right? We would just simply do 9 over 10 raised to the fourth power, right? Because that's the same as 0.9. So this is 9 times 9 times 9 times 9 times 9. So let's do that first. 9 times 9 is 81, okay? And then 81 times 9 is going to be 9, and then this is 72. Okay, so that's 729, and then you have to multiply that by another 9. So let's do that. This is 81. You bring the 8 up here, and then 9 times 2, okay, is going to be 18 plus 8, okay, which is going to be 26. And then 9 times 7 is, 63, right? 63 plus 2, which is 65. So it's going to be 6,561. So that's in the numerator, and then 10 to the fourth power, okay, is 10,000. So this is all going to be 6,561 divided by 10,000, okay, which is simply going to be 0.6561, right? And so they're asking us, how much does the volumetric flow decrease, right? So we just need to subtract this from 1, right? So this is just going to be 1 minus 0.6561, okay, which is going to be about 0.3439, okay, it looks like 3. Let's see if I'm correct about that. 39, yeah, 39. Which is about, if you multiply this by 100%, it's going to be times 100%. That's going to be 34.39, because we move the decimal place over like that, right? 39%, or about 34.4%. So it's going to be decreasing by about 34.4%, which is C.